I just make my summons and I get one of the best heroes to dominate in the arena, in the Dragonheir Silent God. And this is, in my opinion, Lola, and I will explain why. I was actually waiting for this hero. So yeah, it's because of her spell, of course. Every hero have a spell. So starting with the first spell that is very interesting is when attacking enemy under silence, there is a 40% chance to changing silence into stunned. Now in general, this hero is providing silence and also providing stun. This is very important for the arena, and it's just because of the cycles. When you start firing up in the arena, if you make your enemy delay their firing spells like 4 seconds or 5 seconds or 10 seconds, in the coupled cycles you're going to actually fire up one time more from the enemy, and this is big power. So yeah, the first skill is pretty normal, is when attacking enemies under silence there is a 40% chance to changing silence into stun. Very nice. So from there we're stepping on the next spell. Fires 2 lightning orbs at the enemy, each dealing some damage with a 50% chance to inflict silence for 5 seconds. This is basically going to be the enemy she's hitting, so 2 times with 50% chance. This is something like 100% chance. There is a very big chance to actually inflict the enemy with the silence. Very important spell, and by hitting this enemy you're going to prevent this enemy from firing up. So great tip here is actually focus on the main hero of the enemy. For example, my main hero is just 1 second, this is my main hero. So try to focus the spell on the main hero. Like this you're going to actually silence this hero, and in future he's going to cast less time spells, and also you can stun him after you silence him. And of course this is the ultimate, very nice ultimate. It's just because it provides a debuff which is very important in this game. Summons lightning to strike the target area 3 times. So this lightning is going to strike 3 times this area, and this is pretty big area. Look at this, it's very big area. 230% attack lightning damage. Now here the damage is not so important. Here we are focused to actually make the enemies weaker and actually prevent enemies from casting their spells. Very important. So yeah, each time the enemy is within the range, with 50% chance of inflicting silence for 5 seconds and 75% chance to inflict attack penalty for 10 seconds. 10 seconds is a lot of time. Most of the time, most of the fights is like maybe minute and a half. So when you actually inflict the enemy with 10 seconds, you actually take out 10% from this time to be with 50% less attack. So you're going to bring silence, and you're going to bring pretty decent debuff, and this is attack down, reduces attack by 50%. And even if the enemy is casting their spells, they're going to do half of the damage their normal is going to do. Their normal attack is going to be half damage, everything will be half damage, and this is going to boost your survivability in the arena. Also 50% chance for silence, and this is for 5 seconds. And when the hero is hitting somebody with silence, he's also can stun him, have a 40% chance to actually stun him. Why I think this is a hero for dominance in the arena is just because people are putting their strongest hero in the arena, and this hero is not doing big damage. Let's be honest, this is not actually 200% attack or 230% attack is basically nothing, but this hero is going to bring huge debuff on the enemy for 10 seconds. This is actually 50% attack penalty, lowering the attack with 50%, basically half damage. Also silence the enemy from performing their skills. and normally the enemy damage is not so much coming from their normal attack, but it's coming from the skills, and some skills is very brutal. So if you have a chance to actually silence this hero, or maybe stun this hero, or maybe lower the attack, this is going to give the time for your team to actually destroy the enemy team in the arena. That's why I'm very happy to actually get Lola. I just get her from my summoning, and definitely I'm going to level up her, and I decided to actually make this video to actually show how awesome is Lola. Of course, I'm going to make some arenas with her, test her, but from what I see, I think she's one of the heroes for dominance in the arena. So I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.